Let's talk about trading halts. What is it, why does it happen, and what does it mean for us traders? Simply put, a halt is a temporary stop in the trading of a stock in one or more exchange. This usually happens in order to address imbalances in sell and buy orders, or the company is going to release major news, which will cause the stock price to fluctuate a lot. Now, during the halt, traders will not be able to execute any orders, no buying and no selling. The purpose behind it is giving all market participants enough time to digest the news and decide their new strategy based on the new information. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are two main reasons for a halt to occur: regulatory and non-regulatory. Regulatory halts happen when a company is going to release big news, which will fluctuate the stock price a lot, or when a stock no longer meets the stock's exchange criteria, which is usually price. And non-regulatory halt usually occurs when there is a lot of imbalances between the buys and sell orders. Usually happens when a lot of volume comes in a short time span and the stock has moved substantially, either up or down. After the trading halt is lifted, the stock might open with a gap up or gap down, depending on the news or the situation. For example, good and positive news will probably make the stock to gap up, while negative news like bankruptcy or a reverse split, for example, will probably cause the stock to gap down. In some extreme cases, a stock might be suspended for extended period of time, several days even, and it usually occurs because of regulatory situations, or the company is hiding something, or there is a lot of suspicion around its activity. Overall, trading halts are usually short-lived and are temporary. Their aim is to ensure proper and fair trading and allow traders and investors enough time to react to certain situations. As beginners, I highly recommend you to stay away from trading halts, as they're the most misunderstood and volatile types of trades. They are really dangerous and you can lose a lot of money trading them. It's like playing a Russian roulette, because you can never know how the stock is going to open, and the stock might get another halt up or down, which will cause you to have a bad time, and we don't want to have bad time.